Welcome you all to our new video. In September 2021, we traveled to Brazil and also planned to stay a few days in São Paulo. As we stayed only for a couple of nights, we decided to try out the Hilton São Paulo Morumbi hotel. This 5-star hotel is located close to the Estaiada Bridge in the district of Brooklyn. We chose the Hilton because of its great location, the facilities, and our experience with Hilton hotels in the past. So, in this video, we will show you our impressions of the hotel, its rooms and facilities, and you'll also get to know some perks of the Hilton Honors Membership program. Well, the Hilton São Paulo Morumbi is not the newest hotel in town, but it has kept a great level over the years, and also nearly all the rooms have been recently renovated. It's located approximately 15 to 20 minutes by car from the airport Congonhas, and around, I would say, 50 minutes from Guarulhos. It is also close to many shopping malls, like the Morumbi Shopping, with all the major brands and a huge variety of food options as well. The hotel elevator has direct access to underground parking and the Nações Unidas shopping mall, with a food court and ATMs and everything else that you might need. The parking overnight costs R$30. After our arrival, we went to the check-in area where the staff was very friendly, and in just a couple of minutes we got our keys. As we are Hilton Honors Diamond members, we were able to get a room upgrade. The room we ended up getting was located in the 12th floor to the left, and our first impression was actually very good. It was bright, yet cozy, clean, and the view was amazing to the Estaiada Bridge. The carpeting on the floors gives you a very comfortable feeling actually, and creates a quiet environment. Also, the size of the room was pretty good, and the bed was really comfortable. We slept very good in it. In the room, we also had an office area with good lighting and all important power outlets at easy access, so if you have to work, you can also use that. Although we had furniture pieces like a sofa and a sitting bench, I would have preferred to have more options to open the suitcases, because just one small bench for a couple with a lot of luggage is not enough. In the big wardrobe, we could find the usual equipment to iron clothes and a built-in safe and things like that. A mini fridge was also available in the room, however, due to Corona regulations, it was empty. For those who love their quick coffee or tea in the room, there was also a coffee machine and a water heater for the tea as well. Now let's go to the bathroom. As everything else, the bathroom was very clean and provided great lighting also for applying makeup. We had a big bathtub and also a spacious rain shower. The toilet space was separated from the rest with its own glass door. In the bathroom, we also found all the necessary amenities such as shampoo, conditioner, shower cap, hairdryer, and more. The towels were large and decent, and the toilet paper was little thin, unfortunately. The hotel offers a nice room service menu, but since São Paulo has a great variety of restaurants and bistros, with delivery service, we decided to try out ordering with Uber Eats and iFood. Both worked actually pretty great and were cheaper than the hotel food, so if you were staying at Hilton, I would also recommend you doing that. Now, talking about breakfast, the hotel offers a continental breakfast in its lobby restaurant, but also in the executive lounge for Diamond members and executive room guests. Unfortunately, this lounge was closed due to COVID-19 regulations, so we could not try that out for you. In the breakfast menu, we could find a great variety of fruits, juices, breads, and pastries, as well as a cooking station for tapioca and eggs of all kinds. Also, they provide a juice machine where you can put in all your fruits and vegetables and prepare your own juice. As usual, we also found warm dishes such as beans, bacon, sausages, and baked tomatoes and things like that. Personally, we didn't find the breakfast incredibly good since it was very crowded with long lines, and the ordered food from the cooking station took forever to come as well. The breakfast is usually from 6 until 10:30 in the morning, and it's free of charge for Hilton Honors Gold and Diamond members. Additionally, in the hotel, we also found a very well-equipped gym on the top floor with an amazing view of the city of São Paulo. In the gym, you could find many cardio machines, weight machines, and a free weight area. Of course, we visited the gym a little bit. Also, a swimming pool, jacuzzi, and a spa area are provided by the hotel next to the gym and are all free of charge. In general, the hotel facilities were very well conserved and clean. Also, the sitting areas in the lobby were very comfortable and well designed. The friendly staff is also always available to help you and support you where needed, like with the luggage and recommendations and everything like that. Another nice thing was the solution that Hilton found out for the mini bar in the room. After check-in, we were allowed to get any beverages that we wanted from the fridge in the lobby and take it to our room. This included beers, soft drinks, water, energy drinks, and all of this. To summarize our stay at the Hilton Hotel in São Paulo, we have a bunch of positive but also some negative aspects for you guys. We really liked that the hotel and all the facilities are really clean and the rooms are newly renovated, which gives you a great feeling. The beds, chairs, and sofas are very comfortable, the staff is always very friendly and helpful, and the location of the hotel is also awesome. Maybe, however, you should try to avoid staying at the hotel during conferences, events, and typical time of the year like Christmas, because it gets pretty crowded and loud. Also, one negative aspect was that the hotel has many entrances, which makes it hard for Uber driver, delivery drivers to find the right one. As I mentioned before, the breakfast was not that hit. So it was okay, but I'm not sure I would pay for the breakfast. Overall, we really enjoyed our stay at the Hilton São Paulo Morumbi and would always return when staying in São Paulo. Thank you guys from the Hilton São Paulo Morumbi for the great experience, and see you next time. Now guys, if you really liked the video, please subscribe to the channel, give us a like, and comment everything that you need to know extra or any questions that you have. We would love to have some interaction with you guys. See you on our next video. Bye bye!